Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this automatic Toyota Auris. So this is a hybrid vehicle that's got one previous owner. It comes with 16-inch alloy wheels. The touchscreen features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get air conditioning, heated front seats and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This is the 1.8 litre petrol hybrid that gives you 134 horsepower. It's done under 27,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.